And now to work on our rotor. I live in the south, so I don't expect to have too much trouble. I might be able to just take it straight off. But if not, then one new piece of equipment you'll need to add to your essential collection is a mask of some sort, because brake dust is nasty. And in the times of COVID, more people have these than would have had them before. Thanks, COVID, I guess. That's perfectly fine as a particulate mask. And then we'll start to hammer on it. And we're not going to reuse this one, but just for the sake of argument and good technique, I'm going to use my folded up thick cardboard shim to not work directly on the surface of the rotor. The other way you can do this, I just don't have it on hand, and it's the more elegant way, is to thread in a bolt. I think it's an M12 size bolt. Could be wrong on that. But, you know, you just, whatever it is, whatever size it is, whatever size for this hole, you thread it in, and then that just pops it off nice and neat. So you don't have to be mean like I'm about to be. So, here goes the mean way. And folks, I'm probably gonna have to go find me an M12 bolt. Be back soon. Hey y'all, Shade Tree Mechanic Benjamin again. I misspoke in the other video. It's an M8 by 125 bolt that threads into these holes. There should be two of them on your rotor. Help pop it off. I don't have that laying around. I did happen to fortunately have an eye hook I had lying around for some other job, and the lug wrench fits perfectly into this this hole to get me the leverage to turn it, and hopefully pretty soon we get it to pop off. Okay, there you go. You start to see the gap where it looked solid. It looked totally solid before. I was half going crazy, thinking, do I have some sort of special rotor, even than the Haynes manual tells me about, that I have to actually take this nut off? Don't do that, that's for the hub. And that's what I thought, but this had frozen so solid in rust. That's what I thought. There we go. So now that is good and loose. And we just take it off. Since we're not reusing it, it can be as rough with it as we want to be. And get our leverage to reuse this on the other side. So there you have it. That's popping off a rotor. And this is a rusty surface. You do not want to get super intense about this surface, because most importantly it needs to remain flat. So So I'm just going to take a little wire brush and get off the major flakes before I attach our new rotor. Shade Tree Mechanic Benjamin signing off.